Football shooter. A football coach helps the athletes to develop their skill through practice drills and conditioning sessions, which includes defending goal posts, getting ball throws for header practice, and so on. This football shooter machine can shoot soccer balls with high speed and very high accuracy for efficient soccer practice with zero human efforts. Food delivery robot. Generally, food delivery services have a lot of human contact and effort. That is to physically visit the restaurant just to pick up the food and deliver it at your doorstep. But with this food delivery robot, without any human contact, the food is delivered in the safest way.
Hi, I am autonomous, theft-proof, delivery robot for food and e-commerce. Parcel locked. Excuse me. Please give me the way. Excuse me. Please give me the way. Hey! Please put me down. Hey! Please put me down. Hey! Please put me down.
IOT Virtual Doctor. Doctors need to be available at any hour of the day. And it is very difficult to be available at different hospitals or remote locations all at the same time. So here we have a virtual doctor robot that allows the doctor to virtually move around and even talk to people at any desired location without any contact. Goods Transport Stair Climber Robot. Wheeled robots cannot climb easily over stairs. They can only be used on flat surfaces. So the workers have to manually carry the goods through the stairs. Here, this is a robot that can easily climb over stairs and transport the goods with no human effort. .360-degree fire protection system. The traditional fire monitoring system needs a human operator to change the direction of the water and aim it towards the right direction. Well, this 360-degree fire protection system has an RF controller and an onboard camera which helps the user to operate the system from a safe distance. Coconut Dehusker Machine. Dehusking a coconut is a laborious task, and the process of dehusking can be very time consuming. But with this pneumatic coconut husk remover, the dehusking can be done very quickly. Arduino Automatic Controlled Arm. For placing an object from one desired place to another, human efforts are required. But this robotic arm can mimic human movements. It can easily take over the tasks of a human. Social Distancing Robot. We always had humans reminding us to maintain social distance for safety purpose. Well, this robot will take over the task and monitor by moving along with the queue and alerting people.
Alert! Please maintain social distancing. Thank you. Please maintain social distancing.
Dog Daycare Robot. Humans have to be available for their pets 24/7 to take care of them and feed them. Well, this dog daycare robot can easily take over your responsibilities and do all the necessary tasks.
Hi Bruno. Please have your food. Hi Bruno. Please have your food.
Automatic Seed Sowing Robot. Seed sowing is one of the most time-consuming tasks for human and requires a lot of effort. Well, this robot can automatically pour seeds while moving around the ground and requires no human effort. EcoFriendly road and floor dust cleaning machine. The street sweepers clean the streets every day and they put a lot of efforts on keeping our environment clean. So this is a user-friendly road and floor cleaning machine which will make the task of floor cleaning very simple.